back at the junkyard, and I pulled up to this 89 Caprice. Dudes just took the 305 out of it. Damn near brand new, got like 60,000 miles on it, and we scored a hood. Scored a hood and the grill. This one does have the front fender lights. Got the Euros. And this thing could have been saved. But check out the interior. Real nice. Got the blue seats, blue interior. Pretty much everything's still there. Even got a headliner. I got the 89 Broham. Everything's still here. Even got the emblem. Got the lights. Got the full rubber on the bumper. Full rubber. The bumper filler's nice. He took the front. It was the aftermarket. All the trim.
This was a clean car.
Man, they should have saved this car.
I know it.
I mean, the only damage was the on the doors.
Yeah, that's all. This could
On that
have been a
side.
donated car. Donation car.
This had to be donated. Somebody didn't want it.
Right, yeah.
Shit, I would have bought it for at least 5 or 6.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the hood a little jacked up, but it's complete.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah, man. You got the little lock on it. The spring ain't no good though. You know what? A tree probably fell on it. Yeah, I think a tree fell on the hood, on the trunk.
Oh
Shit, even has a full top.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing is nice.
Yeah.
Somebody want this.
Yeah.
It's not even ripped.
Yeah, that's right on low.
Yeah, that's nice. Full top.
Yeah, they ain't got no
And the front. All the way down.
cuts in them, a little weather beat.
Yeah, it ain't. Shit, that's like brand new.
Clean
That's
it.
gotta be new.
Yeah.
Man, they should have. I'm kind of mad they didn't save it. Man, I'm pissed. They should have sold this.
Yeah, man. You got European headlights?
Yep, Euro lights, Euro clip,
Yeah, man.
pillow tops. Man, they should have sold this. Man, I'm really pissed they didn't sell this car. Got damage on the door. The paint decent. I think something like a tree or something fell on this. But check out that top. That top is money. Like brand new, man. Got the pillow tops. Man, this thing is clean. Shit. So I guess front door open. I think the front door kind of smashed in, but check out the radio, the seats, the dash got like minimal cracking. Headliner is like flawless. Got the sail panels. Yeah, somebody can go crazy if I had time. I would strip a lot of this stuff off here. But anyway, let me try and get this hood to my truck. This is local, we back. I just had to throw the hood in the truck real quick. But yeah, I'm thoroughly pissed. This is gone in the junkyard. Had a Euro clip, had the grill. The bumper's over here with the full rubber. I should take that. This is the first one I found with actual lights in the front. I don't know if they're like signal lights, maybe. this car should have been saved. I mean, the top is perfect. It doesn't have the limo lights, but has a nice little trim piece right here. That'd be nice. These are normally gone. I thought he took the hubcaps, but that's one at least. I really should take this carpet. And I got this the full bumper filler. And I got little side pieces. So the black ones are off the aftermarket, so the rear had it, and then the front had the black one, rubber one, so they replaced it, like they took care of the car, but it still ended up here. So like on the 86, I was missing the passenger side because someone took it, so I should take these fender pieces that I'm missing. The hinge is probably nice because that was a nice looking hood, so I'm sure these hinges might be better than the ones I got. Like I said, I just don't have time to take everything. And I know by the weekend this is going to be stripped, especially the seats. Some clean seats. Steering wheel's nice. The cluster's still in there. Got the cassette player. Yeah, I might have to get the radio. Got the switches. I can't get the doors to unlock in the front. That headliner is super nice. Got some water inside, probably from the rain. I wish the door pulls were like mine. These are different in the 89, I guess. But yeah, man, I'm pissed. I mean, all you gotta do is get a front door, both front doors, the back door, and the trunk, and that's it. It's like a new car. Buddy, just like I said, he took the 305 out of here, so he already had the hood off for me, which is great. They got the wiper motor there. I could take that. Euro clip. So you only got 2 hubcaps on here. Man, but I can't get over, you got the full rubber on the bumper, the little rubber, rubber bumper guard. You have the full strip on the front and the back. I just don't have the time to get it. And that chrome trim is nice. Anyway, this is your boy Loco. Let me get a few pieces off of this. And as always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.